but we are now going to start. With this official launch, we're going to start advertising, both in online and offline. How many customers? So let me put it this way. So we are doing, let's say, anywhere between 10 to 15 homes per month at this point of time. We expect that this will actually become a flood going forward. It's just a trickle. As I said, we have not done any print or any serious online advertisement. We're waiting to launch it before we did that. So we have kind of put that on hold. With this, once we do this custom-made thing out here, we are actually going back to that and a bunch of other things. So this is basically custom furnish. We'll basically have custom all, where we can actually do custom everything almost. No, it was actually received very well. But one of the key things which we actually saw out there was that while people would definitely like to customize everything and all, there are things which they want to, they are more apt to do, and there are things which are less. You know, if it's a 1,000 rupee shirt, you really don't worry too much about whether exactly the color matches and everything else. But when it is a 5 lakh rupee interior decoration for your home, then you're very careful that you actually want everything right. So we said, this is probably more apt, but yes, we will revive it and we'll come back to it at a later date. No, we are not going to import it. It's all going to be made in India. We will actually buy everything. Maybe we'll buy some of the raw materials and all. The factory is fairly large. It's around 30,000 square foot right now. There's another one which is 60,000 square foot getting commissioned, and that should actually start working in the next 2 months. So we'll have around 100,000 square foot factory overall. We will actually have multiple factories. Our next factory is going to be in Delhi. Then it's going to be in Calcutta and Bombay. From Hyderabad, we'll serve Bangalore and Chennai right now, which we'll launch in the next month or so. And after that, we will actually launch in Delhi by setting up a factory in Delhi. North. So eventually, though, we'll have around 10 factories. But right now, at least 4 in the next 1 year or so. Most of it is going to be in the by the way, the 16 crores has actually come in from one of the investors being Srini and all. Has actually Satish Reddy and GVS Prasad of Dr. Reddy's Lab, Srini Raju of People Capital, Suresh Prabhala of Mount Kellett Fund, ex-Mount Kellett Fund, he's now with another fund. So in his private capacity has actually put in the money. Greenco Group, Anil Chalam Shetty, and a bunch of other guys. I'm happy to give you the names out there. The money, and there's also a loan of 3 crores from SIDBI. So this is one of the first ventures where you would actually see a loan for a startup. So which means the product, the factory itself, we expect that it will become profitable very quickly, appraised by a proper financial institution, not just by a venture capitalist and all. The money is going to be deployed in factory and developing the software and advertisement. It's in personal capacity. Everyone is invested in personal capacity only.